Hi everyone, welcome back to Harvest and Home UK. If you're new here, my name's Claire and our channel is all about growing our own food, learning simple allotment hints and tips and creating a sustainable homegrown lifestyle. Today's topic might sound a little bit funny, but we are talking about loo rolls. Yep, those cardboard toilet tubes that normally just end up in the bin. But did you know that they can actually help to feed your family in two simple ways? Let's dive in. So the first way that we're actually going to use toilet rolls to help feed our family is to plant seeds in them. So toilet roll tubes actually are amazing biodegradable seed starters. They're perfect for things like peas, beans and even sweet corn. Anything really that doesn't like to have their roots disturbed. So here's what I do. I take my empty loo roll and I just bend the bottom over just to create a nice, simple, easy base. Then I pop them onto a tray, or you can even use an old takeaway container, anything like that that they can stand in for a second just while you're filling them up. Then I fill each of my loo rolls with some compost or seed starting compost. Then I take my seeds and I'll drop each one in to the loo roll and the compost. Carefully fill over the top. Then we give them a gentle water and they're done. They hold moisture beautifully, and then when it's time to plant them out, you just pop the whole thing into the ground and then they biodegrade away, and then your roots haven't been touched. The next way to feed your family with your loo rolls is to add them to your compost bin. So toilet rolls and cardboard are classed as brown material, so they are a good way to balance out all the green materials, which is your leaves, your veg scraps, grass clippings and weeds. All you need to do is break them down into very small sections and pop them in with your compost, and then give it all a nice stir around. Now they add carbon into your compost, which means that it stops it from going slimy. It actually smells fresher and breaks down quicker. So here's the best bit. That loo roll will break down and become a nutrient-rich soil for all of your fruit and vegetables. So if you think about it, that loo roll is going to go full circle. So next time you finish a roll, don't throw it away, pop it in a bag and use it as a nice seed starter or a compost improver. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Maybe share it with one of your allotment friends or someone that you know that is going to be starting to do their own growing journey. And if you want to watch another video on composting, you can watch this video right here. We'll see you next week.